Anderson College is one of Canada's oldest colleges, having opened its first location in 1885. Anderson has trained over 100,000 students during its over 140 years of history and continues to be an empowering partner for those who are experiencing career challenges and transitioning to the next phase of their lives.
When you're getting into medical aesthetics, you're looking into a career with hands-on. So theory is one thing, but practical and clinical are very important. We do our theory during the beginning of our curriculum, and we do add a practical clinical to our theory, which aligns with what the students are going to see out in the real world. So we are using medical devices for skin tightening, laser, acneic, and it is devices that you'll find in a dermatology clinic or a plastic surgeon. We have one department which focuses on facial and laser treatments, for example, and we have another area we focus on massage, body care, and we have other departments for nail and makeup and foot care as well. And sanitization. We have all departments in our lab. We do add in real life business structure to our program for individuals who want to get right into business after their program. And that's usually like about 50-50 in our classroom. We have individuals who want to work in medical or spa or who want to directly go into their own practice. Individuals who come into this field definitely have that within them, that they're kind and they want to help other people better themselves, either exterior or interior.
This program is honestly worth it. I've met a lot of friends here. The staff is amazing. Teachers are great. The environment is just very awesome.
I feel more confident because they helped me build my resume and how to talk to my employers if I go to an interview. So now I feel more confident to go into a workplace.